In this video, I'll detail how to enable auto rotate screen on Android phone. So if you want your Android phone to automatically rotate each time you position your Android phone in landscape, this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable screen auto rotate on your Android phone, all you just need to do is go to your Android phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling and click on additional settings. Once you click on additional settings, locate accessibility and click on that. Then once you click on accessibility, come down here and select physical. Then under physical, locate auto rotate screen and then turn this on. So when next you are using any application, maybe your messaging app or your browser, and you visit any website just like this. So let's say you just visit a web page and you want to read this particular web page information in landscape mode. All you just need to do is this. Just position your Android phone just like this. Then you're gonna see the screen rotate from portrait to landscape. You see that? Then whatever you are now doing on your Android phone will be in landscape mode instead of the portrait mode. So this is how you can easily enable auto rotate on Android phone. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.